Our next examples give you some practice with subtracting fractions that have mixed numbers that do have a fractional part to it, but unfortunately it's too small to subtract the fraction that is the other number. So this is how you do these. We can't take 2/5 from 1/5, too small. So we're going to have to rename the 4 and 1/5. Let's call this 3 because we've taken 1 from the 4, one whole one that we would call 5/5. We are bringing the 5/5 over. We already have 1/5 there. So this fraction now can be called 3 and 6/5. Now the 2/5 can scoot way over, and we can finally do our calculation. 6 take away 2 is 4. The 5ths were already there, so that's our common label. And the 3 has nothing to subtract from it, so it can just completely drop down into the answer. This is the new part. The one that we are renaming, the one whole that we are renaming, we're renaming it as 5ths because that's what we need for our common denominator, which gives us 5/5. But you already had 1/5 from the problem itself. So the combination of that gives us 6/5. And that finally gives us enough to subtract the 2/5 from it. Here's our next example. The denominators are the same, that's good, but the numerators is too small to subtract off the 3. So that means we have to go back to the whole number and borrow one of them, rename one from the 17. So this now becomes a 16, and the one that we borrowed is going to become 4/4. So 17 is renamed as 16 and 4/4. We already have 2/4 from before. So this gets to be combined as 6/4 and 16 and 6/4. We drag the whole number over. Now we can subtract off the 10 and 3/4. The denominators are the same, keep them. Subtract the numerators. 6 take away 3 is 3. Now we're going to subtract the whole numbers. 16 take away 10 is 6.